Hi guys, Paul Yaffe here, Paul Yaffe Originals, Paul Yaffe's Bagger Nation, and I'm on my street glide here working on changing out footboards and installing a stealth heel lever. I don't know if you guys know what a stealth heel lever is, but this is the stealth heel lever. And you say, what does it do? Well, I'm going to tell you. So on the stock configuration, I just took off the stock footboard. I'm putting on some longer Ness type footboards. Most of the bikes nowadays come with a single shift lever that looks like this. And it has a little rubber spacer behind here. I've already updated our stealth toe lever, our stealth shift lever, because the styling matches the stealth heel lever, or this is the I-beam. It has this I-beam graduated hole look. But what I hate about the stock shifter is when the new bikes don't come with heel levers, but I really like a heel lever. I don't know about you, but I love a heel lever. But what I hate about a stock heel lever is I hate that it sits, 3 or 4 inches off the footboard, right? It sits really high off the footboard, and the peg is right in the middle of your footboard. So it really deters you from moving your feet back and forth. And the biggest culprit is when you shift, you have to lift your foot off of the footboard and you have to stomp your peg. And it makes the shifting's not smooth. And when you're carving a canyon or when you're into some heavy performance riding, you don't want to have to lift your foot. You're hard in a turn and you want to find another gear. You don't want to have to lift your foot off the footboard and stomp on that peg. You want something fluid, something smooth and easy transition. So what we came up with when you take off the stock heel lever, or you're going to add a heel lever on a late model bike like this one that didn't come with one, what our stealth heel lever does is it sits in this position. It sits in this position where your heel lever would go. But what it does is it takes the pad and puts it inside of the footboard, so you still have the whole footboard to use. So let me show you. So when this is on, now I have the full use of my footboard because that peg sticking out in the middle of the footboard is gone. And I don't have to, this is actually going to mount a little closer when the board's mounted. This is going to be closer to the board. But all I have to do is do a minimal heel leverage. So my foot's on the board, right? I just lift my heel and just catch the edge of this, and it's about 3/8 of an inch movement to find another gear. So this is a great performance product. It'll change the way you ride. It'll change the way you ride in a canyon for sure. And it's funny, after you use it for a little while and you get used to it being there and the motion of your foot, if you take it off, you'll be looking for it all the time. You'll so miss it. So now any bike I get on that doesn't have this, doesn't have our stealth heel lever on it, I crave it. I just want it on there so bad. And I was also just going to show you real quick how easy it is to install. So stock levers come with a bolt and a nut on them. You just undo the bolt and nut, slide them off the spline shaft. Like I said, on this particular one, the stealth heel lever comes with this little billet spacer that's behind the I-beam toe lever. So that's included in the package. Everything you need to put it on is included. So I've mounted the toe lever. I've used a little Ness toe peg. You could use your stock toe peg, or it'll take any aftermarket shift peg, toe peg, will bolt on here. So whatever style of stuff you have on your bike or whatever look you want to have, our products won't interfere with that. You can still run any aftermarket parts you want. So what I'm going to do is I am going to slip this on here. I want it down one more spline. And that's good. So I'm just going to slide it on, right? And then I'm going to take the included hardware, the bolt. I'm going to put it in there. You should put a drop of Loctite on there. Blue is fine. A little torque, right? Then I'm going to put my footboard back on, and this heel lever, the stealth lever works perfect with stock footboards. And I have not found an aftermarket board yet that it will not work with. So I'm just slipping the Ness board on there, but I need to find the hole. There it is. There's my hole. So the stock shouldered Harley bolts go right back in. You just replace your stock hardware, but again, that's for the Ness board. But your stock, like I said, your stock boards will work great here. You don't need custom footboards to benefit from the stealth heel lever. So actually looking at this, you do not need this kind of height. You only need a little bit of height. So I'm gonna move this down a spline. So that's going to be way better. So now you can see I've moved the shifter, got it real close to the deck, right? So I can move it, get my shift, right? And it's just missing, right, when I'm gonna shift. First gear, second gear, third gear, and so on. I'm gonna put a little Loctite on this because that's gonna be my finish. So again, when you get this thing low to the deck height, your foot's on it, just a quick shift, quick step, quick step, quick step. It just works awesome. So you can adjust this here with your spline, but these splines are a large amount of movement. Another thing you can do is you can loosen these nuts and you can take these heim joints in or out to raise and lower your shift levers. We have a new product that'll be on the market soon called an Adjustomatic. And what it is it's a shift linkage that bolts right on. It matches the I-beam styling, but it'll have a stainless screw in the middle, a little knob that you can turn the knob and you can fine tune the height of your pedal and the height of your toe peg to exactly where you like it and then set it in. It's going to allow fine adjustments where this here only allows really dramatic adjustments. And it's a really cool looking part. Stay tuned on the website for that. And now I'm just going to finish putting the floorboard on, get everything tightened down, and I'll be good for a test trip. So that is the Stealth Heel Lever. Go up to paulyaffioriginals.com and check it out. Try one on your bike. You won't regret it. You'll be so happy that you did. This is a total game changer. Last thing I'm going to say is we also have the matching I-beam front shifter that you can put your toe peg on, and we also have a matching brake lever on the other side as well, our I-beam brake lever. So you can get this whole set of graduated whole I-beam styling parts. It makes a really great set. Thanks for watching. See you on the road.
See you down the road with 2-lane light thing.
So what? Now you're in my video.
You can get it out.
Okay. I don't know how to edit it out.